In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access Miro AI and start using it inside your boards in just a few clicks. If you're new to Miro, or you've seen the AI features but weren't sure where to find them, this video will walk you through everything step by step. Miro AI can help you brainstorm, summarize, generate ideas, and speed up your workflow. So once you know where it lives, it becomes incredibly powerful. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you'll want to log in to your Miro account. You can do this by heading to miro.com and signing in with your email, Google account, or single sign-on if your team uses that. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, where all of your boards are listed. From here, you can either open an existing board that you're already working on, or create a brand new board. To create a new board, simply click the Create New button and choose a blank board or one of Miro's templates. Now, once your board is open, this is where accessing Miro AI becomes really simple. Look to the left-hand side of your screen where the main toolbar is located. Just above that toolbar, you'll see an icon with purple sparkles or stars. This icon is labeled Create with AI. Go ahead and click on that icon. As soon as you click it, a new panel will open on the right side of your board. This is the Miro AI workspace. Inside this panel, you'll see a field where you can type in prompts, along with options to choose what kind of AI functionality you want to use. Depending on your plan and workspace settings, you may see options like brainstorming ideas, summarizing content, generating sticky notes, or creating outlines and plans. This right side panel is where all the interaction with Miro AI happens, so anytime you want to use AI features, you'll come back to this spot. From here, all you need to do is type your prompt into the field. For example, you might ask Miro AI to generate ideas for a project, summarize notes already on the board, or help structure a workflow. Once your prompt is ready, select the functionality that fits your goal, then run the AI. Miro will process your request and place the generated content directly onto your board, making it easy to edit, move around, or build on with your team. One important thing to keep in mind is that Miro AI works best when your prompt is clear and specific. The more context you give, the better the results will be. You can experiment with different prompts to see what works best for your use case. And that's really all there is to accessing Miro AI. Log in, open a board, click the Create with AI icon with the purple sparkles, and start using the prompt panel on the right side of your board. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more Miro tutorials and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.